Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Brazilian design today. If you had to describe modern Brazilian design, you might do it with these 4 keywords: respect, research, creativity, innovation. Key roles are played by technology and eco-sustainability, factors that ensure the country's local raw materials are processed with the utmost respect for the environment. Reinterpretation of research through creativity and innovation instills that dynamic, radiant Brazilian identity. Brazil has been growing rapidly for some time. Despite the challenges posed by certain social problems, the country is keen to play a leading role on the international stage but without abandoning the local traditions and the indigenous identity that have always characterized it. Of course, the 2016 Olympics were a great opportunity for the country, a chance to get a makeover in the form of infrastructure improvements and the refurbishment of many buildings. Moreover, the media clamor surrounding the event played a crucial role in making Brazil even better known by the creativity of its design, art and colorful soul. The Brazilian design landscape now has a host of emerging artists. For example, local craftsmen are enjoying overseas success with works that have strong links to the territory and the unique Brazilian spirit. It is in this scenario that we find the Campana brothers. Now international stars, they fly the flag of Brazilian design by working with some of the world's most famous brands.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.